Hi, it's me, Oxy. Today I'll tell you how to make the cheapest tracker for turning batteries toward the sun.
In the morning, the sun is on one side of the sky. And in the evening, the sun is on the other side of the sky. We install a balanced battery on the stand so that it can turn over. That is, swing back and forth. Joke. But seriously, here's what we do.
He connects two small 12-volt batteries to the main battery at the edges, and we balance them.
Then we connect 12-volt actuators with limit switches from each addition the battery rack. In the morning, the sun will supply energy to its additional battery, and the pump will pull the main one to it. In the evening, another actuator will flip the main battery like a pancake on a frying pan.
Make the angle of inclination 30 degrees in each direction.